Embark on a journey where education meets adventure. Our school travel programs create unforgettable experiences for young explorers, combining hands-on learning with the thrill of discovery. Imagine walking alongside your classmates, uncovering the beauty of ancient cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant communities. These trips go beyond sightseeing, they inspire curiosity, foster teamwork, and ignite a passion for the world. Guided by seasoned experts, students delve into history, geography, and local traditions, all while building lifelong memories with friends. Every step taken is a lesson learned, every vista a new perspective. At Peru Expeditions Tours, we believe that the best classrooms are under the open sky. Empower your students with experiences that shape their minds and hearts. Adventure awaits, let's begin the journey together.